I'm gonna show you how you can play and join Hypixel Bedwars in just a few seconds. So this is very easy and it will allow you to play the Bedwars mode on the Hypixel server. So what you need to do is open Minecraft. In my case, I'm using Minecraft Java Edition, but it's basically the same process for the Bedrock Edition. Then go to multiplayer and you will see the list of your servers. If you don't have any, you need to click the add server button and then enter the server name. You can, for example, put Hypixel, but this doesn't matter. You can put whatever you want. And then what is important is the server address, which is hypixel.net. Then click done, and you will see how Hypixel loaded. Just click here, and it will take a few seconds to load. Now, once you are here, you need to right click this compass, then go to Bedwars, and here just go to those NPCs right here, and you can choose if you want to play solo, doubles, and more. You can choose between the different types of Bedwars Pixel has. If you want to play solo, for example, or doubles, you can click on the NPCs. You need to right click them, and then Bedwars solo. Click there, and it will take a few seconds, and now you are in the game. So that's the tutorial. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.